Arey beta, why aren't you dressed as yet? We're going to be late for school.
Give me boring food every day for school. I'm not going to school.
Okay, then how about we make it a Friday? My daughter wants something exciting to make her day and Tiffin more fun. So I'm going to get her Friday ready by making her favorite hot dogs with a McCain twist. First, take a hot dog bun, slit it lengthwise. Apply 1 tablespoon mayo on it, add a lettuce leaf and spread some coleslaw all over the hot dog. Now fry McCain Veggie Fingers until it's golden. Place the fried fingers in the bun. Top them up with a tablespoon of mustard sauce. And McCain Veggie Finger hot dog is ready to savor. Look, Serena, doesn't this look delicious? Now go get ready for school quickly. See, it's so simple. Even you can flip your child's boring day into a Friday with McCain. Not just this, you can try out any recipe of your choice using any McCain products to participate in the #FeelsLikeFriday contest and win Amazon vouchers.